King Gunakamadeva, the great founder of Kantipur. King Gunakamadeva is the most famous Thakuri king of Nepal who ruled Nepal from 980 AD to 998 AD and is famous for having founded the city of Kantipur. The chronicles and genealogies of Nepal have placed well-distinguished importance on him. A manuscript that was found after year 990 AD states that he had established his sole rule. King Gunakamadeva was the successor of Thakuri king Rajbhandari, who started Nepal Sambat in Nepal. King Gunakamadeva was the sixth generation king of Nepal after Rajbhandari. Although his family, his history, and personality aren't known fully, he has been mentioned in almost all chronicles with some big achievement in his reign. Anything ancient or old in Nepal is always ascribed to King Gunakamadeva in the oral tradition. King Gunakamadeva is the most famous king of the pre-medieval period. According to Gopal Rajvangsavali, he provided 11 treasures to the temple of Pasupatinath. The donation of King Gunakamadeva to Pasupatinath and its renovation has been mentioned in almost all historical chronicles. He is supposed to have made lavish donation to Pasupatinath temple. King Gunakamadeva also performed sacrifices in honor of Pasupatinath and donated other large treasures to Pasupatinath. He also constructed a golden water tap in the Pasupatinath compound. The largest contribution of King Gunakamadeva was managing a formal settlement and forming the town of Kantipur. Kantipur is the present-day Kathmandu. King Gunakamadeva is said to have built the Kasta Mandap according to various sources. He is also credited to have started Yene or Indra Jatra and Lakhe Jatra. According to folklore, Gunakamadeva dreamt of goddess Lakshmi, also known as Kanti. So the town was formed in her name, Kantipur. According to Nepal Sambat, the city is believed to have been founded on the auspicious date of Yene Puni, with the founding stone laid by Gunakamadeva at Marutol, which is still present. To appease relation between the citizens of Yembu and Yangal, the king is believed to have started a festival where the Majipa Lakhe dance of Kone, Yangal and Pulukisi dance of Yembu, Thane were performed together along the main road of newly formed city connecting the two settlements, now called Gunakamadeva Marg. The festival is still celebrated as Yene or Indra Jatra today, but the festival's primary focus has shifted to Indra and Kumari over a long period. Thank you.